What's the meaning of acceptance? Acceptance. 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 Acceptance is the act of receiving something offered. It can also mean the act of assenting or believing. In human psychology, acceptance is a person's assent to the reality of a situation, recognizing a process or condition, often a negative or uncomfortable situation, without attempting to change it or protest it. Acceptance can be a difficult process, but it is often necessary for healing and growth. When we accept something, we are not saying that we like it or approve of it. We are simply saying that we acknowledge its existence and that we are willing to deal with it. Acceptance can be a powerful tool for change. When we accept ourselves and our circumstances, we are free to move on and create a better future.